welcome back to Tracie's Place. I am glad you are here again for another video. I'm happy that you keep coming back, and I love the feedback that you all have been giving me in the comment section below, so thank you so much. I have just reached 3,000 subscribers and I am over the top. I'm just so excited. When I first started, I couldn't even see 3,000 in my view, but I am so excited to have reached 3,000 subscribers. So thank you to everybody that helped me get there. I appreciate you. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get into the video. I have it listed out here. I had to put it on the list here because I want to help you guys to get to 1,000 subscribers and beyond. As you all know, YouTube has just rolled out a new plan for payment, for AdSense rather. You have to have 1,000 subscribers now in order for AdSense to kick in, and I believe it's 4,000 watched hours. And sometimes you can look at that, and if you're a small YouTuber, if you're just at like 200 and 300 subscribers, and if you're moving kind of slow, that can be like climbing a mountain, because you have sometimes it takes a long time to reach 100 subscribers, and then you think reaching 1,000 in order to even start getting paid, is a lot. It can be, but we're going to try to make it simpler for you. Try to give you some tips so that you can get there, and you can get there quickly. All right, so here we go. Okay, some people just do YouTube for fun. And even though these tips are good for that, if you are trying to make a living off of YouTube, you want to have all the tips you can in order to, get you where you need to be to get paid. YouTube should be fun also. If you're just getting into it for the money, it's not going to work. It's not going to work. When I started out, I was not an AdSense partner for the longest. I did it just because I like to do it. I know a lot of people say that, but it is true. If you don't like getting in front of the camera, if you don't like helping people with different issues and stuff like that, you're not going to like to do YouTube. So keep that in mind. Keep it fun for you, and also have it to where it's things that other people can learn from and be interested in watching. Okay, the first tip, and I'm going to say I did a video on how to get to your first 100 subscribers. So those are the basic things. Now to advance, it's a little bit more picky. Some people have made it, up to 1,000 subscribers, maybe without these things, but those are YouTubers. It was more long ago when camera quality wasn't good, and things were kind of level playing field for everybody. But now the stakes are bigger. And people have equipment and just, all of that stuff, which you don't have to have a whole bunch of equipment. You don't have to spend a whole bunch of money to get to 1,000 subscribers, but you do want to put a little bit more into it than when you're just trying to reach 100 subscribers. You want to have, this is number one, you want to have good camera quality. And I don't mean it has to be it doesn't have to be 1080p or what have you, but you do want to have it some HD or something. If you can't get HD, might be a little rough, but people are so used to watching their TVs and their phones being in HD and all of that stuff, and when they click on something to watch it, they want the quality to be good, of the picture. And like I said, I don't have a camera per se. I'm using my iPhone, but I have a good camera for my iPhone. So you don't want it to be dark. Is basically what I'm getting at. You don't want a dark background and it all fuzzy and everything. You want it somewhat clear. So you want to have a good quality camera so that you can see things clearly and that it's lit pretty well. All right, I'm not picking on anybody because I love a lot of different people's channel, but these are things I've learned over the course of, while I've been doing YouTube. Hold the camera at eye level. Prop your camera up, whether you have to put it on books or a tripod or whatever you have. Put that camera at eye level please don't put the camera down here. If you have a table and it's down here and you're looking down, you can see all of this. The flabby neck. And I'm not saying that's not horrible, you know, but it's just not something that people, it's not pleasing to look at. And I'm not saying the flabby neck is not pleasing. I'm saying that view, because a lot of times it gets, when you have it pointed up this way, it gets distorted some kind of way. But if you hold it up eye level, it looks better. It's just more pleasing to the eye. When people have it at strange levels, when they have it too high looking down on them and the camera's down here looking up, it's just not pleasing to the eye. The third thing, ask people to subscribe in the first 2 minutes of the video. Not everybody does it. I haven't done it on the regular basis, but this does help. It helps people to, it gets their attention right away. And also, if you remember to do it, you know, right away, by the end of your video, you're not going to remember to ask. Some people have end notes or end cards and annotations and all that asking for subscribers. That's fine, but if you verbally ask them, that's more welcoming for them. If you let them know, say like the video you're going to be doing is something specific, say like a marriage series or, you know, some kind of series that you're doing, a cooking series or something, let them know that if they want to see more content like this, please subscribe. That way they'll be notified. And then, I'm sorry, and click that little bell, the notification bell. So if you ask them to subscribe and then to click the notification bell, that way they'll get notified that more videos are coming about this subject. So that helps. Some people think it's begging for subscribers. It's not. You just want people to know that you have important content that you're trying to get out. And if they like the content, for them to be, you know, readily available to see it whenever it comes out. So it's a good thing. Okay. Make your videos about a trending topic or either a product that's trending. Whether it's the new iPhone that just came out, whether it's a new washer that just came out. My LG series did very good. If your beauty channel, if it's a new foundation that came out or a new eye palette, you know, that came out, or something new at Ulta, or something they can get at, what is it, Sephora. Make it something that's now, something that's trending now. Because people are looking for that. It's in the search bars, you know, and everything. So it'll come up, you know, you'll come up more readily. But make sure it's about something trending. And now this is for people who's trying to get to 1,000. People who are big YouTubers, you know, they do random stuff now. They're not even trying to narrow in on different things because they have the viewers. People are going to come back and watch them. But this is for people, all these tips are for people who's trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. So trending topics and trending products. Make sure to do it on that. You can throw in other things, but make a lot of your videos about things that are trending and throw in your own flair to it, and it becomes yours, and you'll have more people coming back. And the last thing, upload frequently and consistently. Vlogmas kind of helped get me on track. I was doing pretty consistent, but when Vlogmas came around and doing it every day, it got me more used to just wanting to even be in front of the camera. I knew, okay, it's time to vlog. It's time to, you know, pick up the camera, blah, blah, blah. But now that Vlogmas is over, I'm still in that mode, so I'm more readily to pick up the camera. So if you have to make days that you're going to film and you set aside times where you're going to film, do that. It's good to upload between 3 times minimum per week. But at least you want to get to 5. So 3 to 5, you know, videos per week. And then people will be looking for your content. They'll be used to seeing you. They're like, oh, you know, what's so-and-so doing? What is she up to today? What are kids up to today? Or what is she cooking today? Or, you know, what is he doing? You know, what kind of car is he fixing on today? Whatever, you know, your channel's about. if people get used to seeing you, they get used to your personality and everything, they're going to want to see you more. Especially if they like you, they're going to want to see you more. So upload regularly and, you know, as frequently as possible, and that'll help more people, you know, keep coming back to your channel. And then ask people to share. Ask people to share your videos, and that helps a lot too. All right, guys, that's it for how to reach 1,000 subscribers. I hope you found it informative. I hope you got some value out of that. Comment below if you have any questions. I'd be happy to answer. And I will see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. You all take care and be blessed.